If you are struggling with mobility because of a disability or just struggling with learning how to ride a bicycle, there is no need to worry. There's an E-Trike that you can use. The electric three-wheeled bikes we're going to talk about are not just for people with disabilities and the elderly. It is for everyone. Whether you need a ride to get to work, do some quick errands, or a ride for cruising around the neighborhood, an electric tricycle is an effortless option that can take you to places. In this list, we will be featuring some of the best electric tricycles for different purposes. Hi guys! Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best electric trikes for adults. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Emojo Caddy Pro. The best quality electric trike. It's available at around $2,600. The high-quality Emojo Caddy Pro electric trike has plenty of bells and whistles, including a 7-speed transmission, durable hydraulic brakes, and a sturdy design that can easily accommodate max loads of 320 pounds. You might want to enjoy relaxed cruises around the neighborhood. The trio of fat tires on the model Caddy allows the trike to ride upon a wide variety of terrain types, and the safety-enhancing hydraulic brakes. The oversized rear basket is great for hauling groceries, and the seat features robust back support. This trike also ships in 2 boxes and requires a fair bit of assembly, though some tools are included. While the front suspension integrated into the fork gives a smooth ride on the road or sidewalk, it's not made for rougher terrain like gravel. The battery type is a 48 volts lithium-ion. They had a pre-order deal at one point allowing for an upgrade. Unfortunately, it's passed, so it'll cost more to upgrade or buy a second battery in order to double your time on the trike. Making use of the hydraulic Tektro disc brakes, the Caddy Pro makes stopping safe and simple, combined with a battery-integrated headlight that points where you steer, providing more safety and visibility than other E-Trikes like the Razor Power Rider 360 electric tricycle. Equipped with 3 unique fat tire which allows riders to travel not only on city streets, but some trails, beaches, and even in golf course. With the Caddy Trike, there are no limits to your outdoor adventures. Though the 500-watt motor can easily reach 20 miles per hour and the battery can get 35 miles of use out of a single charge, there is no reverse function, which could make it somewhat difficult to back into a parking space, for instance. For casual riders, consider some of the best electric beach cruiser bikes. Number 4. DWMEIGI Adult Electric Trike. Attractive design with a low step-through frame, and a large rear cargo basket for storage. It's priced at around $1,500. This DWMEIGI Adult Electric Trike is easy on the eyes, with a large cargo basket in the rear for storing groceries, tools, and other must-have items. This is a durable and stable electric trike with an extended wheelbase, a low center of gravity, and an ergonomic brake lever. The front and rear lights are exceptionally luminous, further adding to this trike's safety rating. Though the brushless gear hub motor is well made and ultra durable, the 350W design only allows it to reach a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour. Also, there is some assembly required when purchasing this trike, although the company does provide a video on how to do this. Trikes feature lithium batteries with a capacity of 36 volts, and motors that are 350 watts stable, so they can reach speeds up to 15 miles per hour. It also has a great range, with a maximum distance of 25 miles in e-bike mode, and 35 miles in assisted mode. The bike is equipped with a smart lithium battery charger for fast charging, which is excellent for short trips. You'll enjoy riding this electric tricycle because it is so comfortable. This bike has 24-inch wheels, and can fit people from 4 feet 11 inches, to 6 feet 2 inches in height, with an adjustable seat tube, and handle stem. You'll also love that it has Shimano 7 gears, because it eases the riding, even for seniors. This electric tricycle is perfect for men and women of all ages. This tricycle comes with a low step-through frame on this adult tricycle. It is only 15 inches, so it is effortless to get on and off this bike, especially for elderly people and disabled people. This is an excellent feature for the best 3-wheel electric tricycles, because it makes these bikes more accessible to a wider range of people. Number 3. ADDMOTOR Motan Best Fat Tire Electric Trike. It is available below $2,900. This is an excellent electric bicycle for adults. Fat Tire Electric Trike with a 350 pounds load capacity, making it ideal for large riders, in addition to dual baskets for storage and a powerful lithium-ion battery that gets 55 miles of use on a single charge. The ADDMOTOR Motan Electric Trike is one of the best electric trikes for adults, thanks to a long-lasting battery pack and a powerful 750-watt motor that can achieve a maximum speed of 22 miles per hour. This adult trike is also great for larger adults, as the load capacity is a stunning 350 pounds. We also love the removable baskets, one up front, and one in the back, that are great for storing groceries and other knickknacks. The Kenda 24-inch fat tire ups the ante, making for a smooth and effortless ride, even over gravel and debris. Though the headlight on this adult trike is bright and luminous, perfect for night riding, the tail light requires a pair of AA batteries in order to work. Also, this trike lacks rear suspension, though the front suspension adequately contributes to the overall stability of the tricycle. With an extra sturdy 7075 alloy frame, handling heavy loads. It has an easy-to-adjust upright riding position for most riders. It has a step-through frame with a low standover height. You'll like the folding style stem that can fold down like on a folding bike and telescope up to raise the handlebars for taller riders. Removable batteries allow you to charge devices quickly, making them perfect for people who need to charge their devices while riding. The night mode LCD is also a great feature, as it ensures you can see your mileage and speed at night. The comfortable and easy to assemble design of the trike is also a great plus, as it means that you can easily enjoy riding around town, the beach, or just an afternoon cruise. Number 2. Viribus 3-wheel electric tricycle. The best affordable electric trike for adults. It is available at a reasonable price of about $930. When it comes to buying products and necessities for adults, we look for effortless operations and usage. This is where you will find the Viribus electric tricycle unmatchable. The user-friendly and affordable price makes this electric trike stand in our top position because it serves you just the way you want. Viribus electric tricycle makes your riding perfect by providing you with transportation from one place to another without any complications or difficulties. In the presence of a 36-volt battery and 250 watts of motor, you can drive this electric trike at the speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Moreover, when it comes to loading bearing capacity, this top-best electric tricycle for adults can bear up to 220 pounds conveniently without any problematic issues. Further, if you are looking for extra features in your trike, you will not find any other electric trike up to this level. It comes with a smartphone-compatible app, Bluetooth speakers, and 24 inches wheel size that is great for climbing hills and riding on every kind of terrain and surface. This is because large wheels are responsible for providing stability. Further, you need to charge it for at least 3 hours to make it work. With 3 hours of charging time, the battery will last up to 6 to 8 hours, making itself suitable for long-distance journeys. Additionally, we want to appreciate the company's 12-month warranty that covers any kind of manufacturing and technical defects. Number 1. ADDMOTOR M360 Semi-Recumbent Electric Trike for adults. The best for disabled individuals, and people with back pain. It's available at around $3,000. If you are disabled or affected by back pain and looking for an adult electric trike for adventure or grocery shopping in which there is a need for storage, the great ADDMOTOR Electric Trike is an outstanding tricycle option for you. It comes with an extensive and ample storage capacity. In this price range, you will not find any other electric trike with such capacity and features. In the presence of a 750-watt brushless motor, M360 electric trike can provide you with a speed of around 25 miles per hour. Moreover, with a single charge, you can achieve a distance of up to 55 miles. This is the most unique and indifferent electric trike with other tricycles on the list because of its structure and construction quality. It offers you to sit in a recumbent position and low electric trike weight due to its aluminum alloy frame. Also, you can store anything from grocery shoppers to bags, cans, and other heavier payloads for up to 100 pounds. ADDMOTOR M360 electric trike weight capacity is 450 pounds. Moreover, the 48-volt lithium-ion battery charges quickly and helps you to ride up to 55 miles, making it possible for you to ride longer distances without the hassle of charging it again and again. Further, the 2 years extended warranty makes the company more trustworthy for the users because they can reliably contact the manufacturers in case of need. This electric trike boasts a longer frame, and the increased length allows the riders to have better control and handling throughout the ride. The display is easy to see in direct sunlight and is center mounted, and while it is not removable, it is adjustable for an angle so you can position it to remove glare. It also has a full-size USB port on the bottom, great for charging mobile devices while you go.